Hello, this is Miss Warren, and I'm going to give you a quick re-explanation of the brain chain. A lot of people did it incorrectly, and you will have a chance to redo it. Please turn it in as soon as possible if you choose to redo. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, you were supposed to pick 11 people, concepts, terms, or locations, and that's where you put them in the concepts and terms. Now, these are to be vocabulary words from the Industrial Revolution unit. Whoops, lost my picture. From the Industrial Revolution unit. So, make sure that you're just not picking random words like farming or north or something like that. Pick the large words that you're supposed to know. You have a big list. I think it's on page 23. Anyway, then you are to link. You're supposed to write a sentence explaining how each pair is connected. Sentences, starting, beginnings, nouns, verbs, adjectives, all of that. Now, what you see here is a really good example of what you were supposed to do. He started with the War of 1812, which led directly into the Industrial Revolution, and his next word happened to be Industrial Revolution. So, what he did, he linked both of those words together, War of 1812 and Industrial Revolution. It's best to go ahead and use both terms in the sentence. It's much easier, and if you can't think of a sentence that links those two terms, then you need to change the term. The next one he does is Industrial Revolution and manufacturing. Well, he linked those two in a sentence. During the Industrial Revolution, manufacturing skyrocketed. That's a perfect example of what to do. Let me show you a different one. This is what you might have done, so you don't want to make this mistake the next time. Okay, many of you will see, let's get rid of that. Many of you will see on your paper a big line that looks like this, and it says redo. Now, here's the biggest problem. Now, if you notice here on the left-hand side, everybody, many of you picked really great words. The problem is that the words, you didn't match up the sentence correctly. For instance, factory system and north economy. Increased jobs but decreased price. That doesn't explain enough how these are connected. If you said something like the factory system increased industrialization in the north, which boosted its economy. This one here, industrialization and the south. The south did not take advantage of industrialization because they used agriculture for their economy. So you have to explain all this stuff. It might be in your head, but I don't know what's in your head until you put it down on paper. So, like I said, these words have to create one sentence. It's probably easier to use both of those words in one sentence. If you need more help, you need more explanation, please see me.